Hi there, guys and girls and fellow lazy athletes. Today I'm looking into cooking oils. Why? Because there has been a lot of untruths told. You might have heard no oils are healthy, or you can only eat olive oil, or all vegetable oils are bad. Let's just say not all oils are created equal. Some come loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that fight inflammation and keep your calorie count in check. You need to be aware of the different properties of each oil, so a bit of label watching is always good. First up, the superstar of the Mediterranean diet, and my favorite, olive oil. It's packed with monounsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol. Replace your vegetable oil with it when cooking, and then you can drizzle it on salads or vegetables like a champion. Or mix it with some vinegar and make your own salad dressing. Your heart and taste buds will thank you. Next, let's look at avocado oil, the trendy kid on the block. With its creamy consistency and high smoke or burn point, this oil is great for cooking at higher temperatures. Rich in vitamin E, it's also great for moisturizing your skin, but be careful if you have acne, as you won't want that extra hydration. You can also try it in stir fries or as a salad dressing. The next one is coconut oil, which is often overlooked. This oil is famous in the weight loss world thanks to its medium-chain triglycerides or MCTs. These fats are quickly absorbed and provide a fast energy boost. It's excellent for baking or giving your dishes a tropical twist. Please remember to use it in moderation because it's high in saturated fats. Flaxseed oil is another gem, but it's a dish best served cold, like revenge. Ha ha ha. Loaded with omega-3s, it's perfect for salad dressings or drizzling on appropriate side dishes. These good fats support cardiovascular health, making it a heart-friendly choice. Finally, we have grapeseed oil. Not to be mistaken for industrial seed oils or processed and refined vegetable oils that can cause inflammation, diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Grapeseed is a light, versatile oil with a mild flavor, and it's packed with vitamin E and polyunsaturated fats. Great for baking or quick sears, but keep those portions in check to manage calories. Remember, moderation is crucial. Even the healthiest oils need to be used wisely. So find the right oil for your taste buds and health goals, and enjoy your delicious, healthy meals. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more healthy tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.